The workshop is just basically about us veterinarians getting together and exchanging our secrets and recipes to the better of the health and welfare of the animals. And we've been working together for the last 4 or 5 years, all the veterinarians in South Africa, and it's been incredibly successful and helpful for animals. We've been so successful with workshops on rhino, on other scarce animals, and the predators have been long overdue, as there are several issues with animals in captivity. And we're honestly just trying to get the best for them out in the veterinary science department. The workshop was attended by wildlife veterinarians all over South Africa. There's some guys from Germany and some guys from England, guys from Zimbabwe, people from Zambia, you know, so it's very well attended and well appreciated. I mean, we're learning from people like Professor Adrian Tordif and Professor Emily Mitchell and Zoe Griffiths, which are specialists in predators, you know, and they don't mind sharing their knowledge with all of us.
I'm Professor Adrian Tordif. I'm based at the University of Pretoria at the Onderstepoort campus, the Faculty of Veterinary Science, where I teach undergraduates some pharmacology, but all of my research is based on cheetahs and big cats. And we do a lot of work on anesthesia of cats, as well as nutrition, stress in the captive environment. And so most of the stuff that I was teaching here at the workshop was related to those subjects: anesthesia of cheetahs and lions, as well as the nutrition of these animals, some of the diseases that they experience in captivity, and other factors related to stress and so on.
I'm Dr Zoe Griffiths. I'm a wildlife veterinarian, and we're here at the Ukutula Conservation Centre and Biobank for a predator workshop that involves quite a large amount of veterinarians. Some of the veterinarians that are with us are quite experienced in capture of predators, whether wild or captive, and some of the veterinarians that are here with us on the workshop are here just to gain sort of basic skills on the capture of predators. So we've just hosted a 1.5-day workshop that we've covered all of the topics from nutrition to immobilization, and then issues that we see within captive and wild predator populations. And we've had the use of the facilities here at Ukutula to demonstrate immobilization of lions, spotted hyenas and cheetahs.
So the Predator Workshop was quite a success for me. I enjoyed especially, and I think all of our colleagues enjoy especially, the collaboration and working together for that goal of conservation and doing our best veterinary medicine and conservation medicine for the predators. Some of us came with new ideas, some of us came with old ideas, but we shared the information so that we make sure that we treat these animals with the best of our knowledge and abilities, and even some of us shared our bad experiences so that we prevent the younger generations from actually falling into the same trap as us. So the Predator Workshop was a great experience, success in my opinion, and I think we all learned and shared knowledge immensely.
I'm Dr Richard Priya from Letsetele, wildlife vet, also a medical doctor. We attended several workshops on elephants, giraffes and wildlife, and as an older vet, it is good for us to know exactly how to do, to be an example to the younger vets.
Hi, so I'm Annie Mears. I'm a vet from the UK. I moved to South Africa in 2018 now, and I've been here for about 5 years. I've done quite a lot of predators and thought that I was pretty happy with them, but things move on very quickly, so I decided to, as I'm doing so many of them, to kind of top up my knowledge a little bit. So I just popped in up to the northwest for the weekend just to get a little bit of updated information, but it's been a great conference. I've learned a lot, and yeah, there's definitely a lot of take-home messages.
Hi, I'm Gerardus Skeepers, and we've just finished a very successful predator workshop here at Ukutula. I think workshops like these ones that we've just completed is actually quite important for the colleagues that work out with these big cats, and especially with cheetahs. We had very knowledgeable lecturers here that shared a lot of knowledge. Between the two of them, they've got almost 50 years of experience with the cheetahs, the diseases, the nutrition, the pathology. So it was quite important to be able to share that knowledge with a lot of colleagues, and we could do some practical hands-on experience, which was very good. And in a workshop like this, it's always important because we can share our experiences with one another, and we can all learn from that, which in the end is beneficial to all the species that we love because we work with them. So yeah, it was a great workshop, and we really would like to thank all the participants, and hopefully in future we can do more of these.